Hi guys, welcome back. If you're watchers and new subbies, welcome to my channel. So today we're going to be organizing doing a part 2 of excuse me, we're going to be doing a part 2 of organizing our charms. So what I'm doing, I don't know if you've seen the previous video, is I'm organizing everything by theme, I guess you could say. Obviously there's going to be a container that's all mixed or whatnot, but I'm going to try as best as I can to organize it by theme. For example, this one here, we have it in Christmas theme. We have snowflakes, we have reindeers, and all that good stuff. And here, we still haven't organized it. See, these reindeers need to be going over here where the Christmas stuff is at. And then we have some random ones, which are these butterflies and flowers need to go elsewhere. Then we have a Valentine's set with hearts, pink, and then this one's empty. So we're going to go ahead and continue organizing everything. If you hear the waves in the background, that is my son's white noise machine. And we have that going because he's still sleeping. So we're gonna go ahead and continue. Let's work on this Christmas one. Let's see, we have Christmas theme in here. So these are teddy bears. We have butterflies. It's like a little sun. Bunnies, spiders, regular charms. Okay, so we have nothing Christmas theme in here. So let's set this off to the side. Look at this one. So in here we have just regular charms. These are butterflies, regular charms. Snowflakes, perfect. And these look like this. And we have them in gold and silver. So now for me, I've been trying to wear charms lately, but I absolutely hate, my nails are all horrible, but anyway, I hate how they stick out like that, and it gets stuck on everything. So there are snowflakes there. These are reindeer. And we have them in clear, red and green gems. And they are gold. Okay, so next we have is some more reindeer. They're super, super cute, but I'm just telling you, I hate how it gets stuck on everything. And I think that's all the Christmas stuff that we have. Let's see what this is. Oh, those are teddy bears. Okay, so there's Christmas themed one. That one we're going to go ahead and put away in a little bit. Let me set it off to the side. Alright, so now in this one, we're going to be setting all the butterflies. Go ahead and move these butterflies here. And let me see, those are all butterflies. Those are all regular charms. Okay. So in here, let me see, we have some butterflies here. These are cherries. These are bunnies. Those are regular charms. So what over here we have, let me see. Some bears. We're gonna put these bears in here. Oops. I thought it was a bunny like this, upside down. It looks like a bunny, but it's a bear. I think that's all the bears in here. And this one, we are going to put bunnies. You know what? I think I'm gonna do. Let me see what else I have. 1 second. Sorry. Okay, that's all I have. So we're gonna do teddy bears and bunnies. I don't know. We'll see. We're gonna leave it like that. So bears on this side as well, and bunnies in that container. I just don't know where to put like the Halloween stuff. I don't know how to let. I think I'm just going to go ahead and combine them. And we'll put spiders over here. Okay, I think that's it. We're also going to put flowers up here because flowers and butterflies go together. So I'm going to go ahead and do that. These are some dinkle charms. A flower dinkle charm. Those are all another type of flower. Well, it's not really a flower. It looks floral. I don't know. I'm just gonna put it there. another type of flower. And I think that's it. Okay, so there's that. Now we're going to combine these two, or at least try to. These, we're going to combine those two. It's the same thing, just different color. We're going to combine those two. They're gold and silver. I'm going to set these here, and these look like that. Then we have these. And we have some small charms. These are these bigger ones. There's like different types, hearts. I think I'm gonna have to go through these because the hearts can go in like a different section. I think I'm gonna put these with the valentines, the cherries. All right. And these are those types. Then we have these, they're really cute and small. And there's that. So we are completely done. We're going to go ahead and put them away. Okay, so now we're going to grab all our boxes and put them away. I had them all over the floor. Let me put this at the end because we're not going to be using that anytime soon. These floral ones. Then we're going to do these Christmas ones. Whoops. These are all just regular rhinestones. Sorry, these are crystals, no rhinestones. These are crystals. And then we have some metal all the way there. These are charms. Up here we have some rhinestones, some flowers. Let me close my door. I still have a bunch of stuff to do. I do have to do those hauls over there. But in the meantime, I wanted to put this away before. I wanted to organize these, especially because I do have a lot more charms to put away. It's not going to fit in there. Okay. Hopefully I don't drop one. Flowers. I have an empty container. I don't know what I'm going to be doing with it. Put these up here. We have an empty container. Charms, and then we have rhinestones, and then we have some crystals down here. I don't think this belongs here. I'll just put it right here. And I think that was it. Oh no, we have these two here. These are rhinestones as well as these. All of these are rhinestones. Then we have more rhinestones over here. We have like opal. But yeah. I think that is it for now. Let me double check over here. I do want to make some molds, and I will show you guys how I do that eventually. But for now, that is it, guys. Thank you guys for watching. There is my charms collection, and it is growing. I still have a couple more things to put away. But again, thanks for watching. If you guys have any suggestions of videos to make or anything, let me know, and I will get back to you guys soon, okay? Thank you guys for watching. I'll see you guys until the next time. Bye.